training session. My name is Rajiv and today I am going to explain about Azure Stream Analytics. So first we can discuss about what is Azure Stream Analytics. It is basically fully managed real-time analytics to process the large volume of streaming data in real time. Streaming data, you can say live data. For example, share market live data, weather forecast live data, IoT sensor data, social media feeds. These all are the live data. So we are going to implement through this data in our project. Okay, so next, I'm moving to next slide. Yeah, you can see this high level architecture. This is basically architecture of stream analytics for your understanding. You can see this diagram. So here, first step is fetching the live data through our IoT device or application. So this will be input for further processing. After that, we can process the live data through IoT Hub or Event Hub or blob storage as per your need. And the next step is configuration of stream analytics jobs for the logic to process the live data. So here we can add the input device and accordingly we can add output for the storing the data. And at the last, we will store the output data into our Azure storage account or a Power BI dashboard as per our need, whatever our requirement is there. So accordingly, we can store the data in our dashboard or Azure storage account. You can see this little diagram also. This is basically process how we can implement that IoT project for stream analytics. You can see the first one. Here we are getting the data from IoT online simulator. This is the streaming data or live data you can say. So we are getting the live data through our online simulator. This is the device where we are generating the data and we can get the input from this device and move forward to our Azure Stream Analytics. After all the process data, it will goes output and data will store in our Azure blob storage. You can see this diagram. This diagram is basically IoT online simulator. I'll show you live. Yes, you can see this online simulator. This is the online simulator for getting the online or live data for the weather forecasting. You can see this script. It is basically generating the current weather and it is live basically. I'm going to run this. You can see that how data is generating. Yes, it's started and you can see that message sent to Azure IoT Hub and you can see that a light is blinking. You can see that red light is blinking. That means data is generating. This is the live data. You can see here that message box. It is generating the data. You can see that message ID, device ID, temperature, humidity, everything. This is the live data. So I'm going to use this live data in our Azure Stream Analytics. So as of now, I'm doing stop. Yeah. So open Azure portal and here you can go Stream Analytics job. Open this. Yeah, here already I have created 2 jobs. So I'll show you how we can create. Go to that create button and you need to pass that resource group. If you don't have the resource group, then you can create new and you can pass that resource group and name. I'm keeping name test stream jobs. Region, it will be Central India. Remember one thing, region should be always same. Click hosting environment, we can check that cloud. Then next, and next. Just wait. Yeah, in second tab, storage. You need to pass that storage where you want to store the data. So I have the storage account, so I'm keeping that storage. This is the name of storage. I'll show you how we can create the storage account. So I'm opening one duplicate tab, and here you can search simply storage account. As of now, one storage account is there. So if you don't have any storage account, then simply click here create button and pass all the information. Then storage account will be created. So I have already storage account, so no need to create again. So yeah, next. It is validating. Everything is fine. So we can create. Yeah, deployment is complete. Go to resource. You can see everything is here. So we have already created. So I'm going to use that same job because it will take the cost. So I'm going to use the same s- stream analytics job, whatever we have created earlier. So click on this. Then next step is go to PPT. You can see that step. Yeah, resource group created, SQL, this created, online simulator is created, storage account created, IoT. You need to create one IoT hub. So go to Azure portal, click IoT Hub. IoT Hub is already created for me, but you want to create, then click on that create button, and same process you need to follow that same process. Resource group, IoT Hub, you can pass that name, IoT Hub, SJ, region. Remember, region should be always same. So we can keep that Central India. Yes. And you can check that daily message limit. As per your requirement, you can choose the plan. Minimum plan is this one, $35 per month, and it will send 4 lakh messages that per message. This is the limit. So as per your requirement, you can choose that plan, whatever you have. It will take cost for every plan. So everything, remember one thing, everything is available on Azure. You need to pay for everything. Whatever resource you are using, so you need to pay on that. Whatever pricing is there, you need to pay. Everything is available. So this is the process for creating that IoT hub. But I have already IoT hub. One IoT hub is there. So I'm not going to create another because it will take another cost. So I will use same IoT hub. This one. Yes. So IoT hub is there. Then check that next step. You need to add the device, input device and output device accordingly. So go to that storage account, this stream analytics jobs, open, and here you can see job topology and here input. Click here, simply add input, and we can add 4 types of a stream input. First one is blob storage, second event hub, third one is IoT hub, fourth one is Kafka. In your project, whatever requirement is there, what tools you are using, so you can keep that as per your requirement. So as of now, I'm going to use IoT hub. So click on that IoT hub. Yes, input is already added, so I, I will keep that, simply save. Everything is predefined. It is added. One device is already added, so I created another one. So I think no need to create that one. So I'm going to delete because it will take another cost for this resource. So this resource I can use. Yes, it's added. Then our next step is add output, where we can store the data. That will be the output. So output data where you want to store. So simply go to that add output and check here. There are multiple ways. As per your requirement, you can add here Azure Data Explorer, Azure Function, Azure Synapse Analytics, Blob Storage, Power BI, Postgre database, SQL database, data lake storage, and Event Hub. So in our scenario, I'm going to store data into our blob storage. This one. And blob storage, I have already one container. I'll show you that this storage account, you can go to storage account. And here one storage account is there, storage account. Triple R Cloud. This is the name of storage account. And here you can see that container inside that data storage. Go to containers. Here online IoT container. So I'm going to store output data into this container. Containers means you can say like folder for better understanding. Yeah, same. I'm using that same container here. Everything is same subscription and it is auto populated storage account. This is storage account. If you don't have, then first you need to create container. But in our scenario, I have the container, so I can use that container. Then next, then save. So I have already implemented this, so I'm going to use. So click discard and yes, then go to query section. Here we can get the data. Yeah, all set. I think everything is completed, so we can generate the data here. Yes, one more thing in the storage account where we want to store the data. So go to that container and I'm going to delete that previous data. I'm deleting that. So it will get that better understanding. So I'm deleted. Yes, nothing is here as of now. That container is empty. Go to again query section and generating data here. Yes, I'm going to generate live data. So click that run button. Yes, it's not blinking. Yeah, I think going to start. Yeah, data is generating. You can see that light is blinking here. So that means data is generating. So now we can use that start job. I want to start right away. So click on just now. Go to overview. You can see job is starting, but it's not started yet. It will take 2-3 minutes. So we can wait that for job started. Meanwhile, we can check that data it is generating or not. So you can see data is generating. Light is blinking. That means data is generating. Yes, it is generating. This is live data basically. Everything is live. Just go to here. Still starting. Refresh. It will take time 1-2 minutes for the initial run. Yes, you can see Stream Analytics job started successfully. That means job has started. So refresh here. You can see, yeah, it's running. Status is showing running. So our job is running. So what will happen through this Stream Analytics jobs? it is picking data from this simulator. This is the live data, picking data and process the data, and at the last, process data will be stored in our container. That is storage account. So that is this is the process. So yeah, it's running. Refresh, and I can we can check that data correct or not. So go to query section. Yes, we can simply test query. You can check that data is generating or not. Yeah, here data is generating. You can see, and we can check that storage account. Yeah, as you remember, the old data we have deleted. So it should be, once we can refresh, data should be here because job is running. You can see that job is running, data is live, data is also generating, everything is working fine. So our process data should be available in our container. So I'm going to refresh this. It should be here. Refresh. Yeah, you can check. Yes, data is generating. You can see that data. Open. This is basically in JSON format. Open, edit. You can see this is the live data which we are generating through that simulator. Yes, job is working fine. Similarly, we can check that another file, check data. Yes, that is also generating. Yeah, this is done. I think that is the implementation. So thank you so much for watching this video.